Okay, this is half of a pork loin, and when you open the package you want to be careful. There's a lot of juice in there. Don't want to get the juice all over the place, so you want to get that juice in the sink if possible. I'm going to open this baby like this, remove my pork from the package, keep the juice in there. I'm going to use a towel, wipe off the extra juice from the pork. Hello, Chef here. Today I'm making a roast pork with a apple orange barbecue sauce. Apple orange, here we go. First thing we're going to do is move this pork out of the way. Take this peeler and give this apple just a little bit of a peel. Okay, just like this. Okay, that's good. Apple core, you just smash it down, remove that core. Yeah, just like that. Okay, we're going to give this apple a quick dice. Okay, just like this. I'll be reserving these apples here in a roasting pan. Just like that. Okay. Okay, to begin with, we're going to check out the bottom of this loin. Looks pretty good. There is very little I would remove from there. This silver skin needs to be removed using a boning knife. This is a Mundial, very good quality. They're on sale at your sponsor. Okay. It's easy to get the tip underneath that pork, just like that. Remove as little meat as possible. And if you get a little bit, you can always come back and get it later with a good quality knife like this. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, there's a little bit of meat there. Not much. Okay, reserve. Okay, there we go. Clean pork loin. Now at this point, because of the way I'm preparing it, and this thing is so big, I'm going to cut it in half like this, 2 even pieces, and beautiful. And each piece will cook a little bit faster like that in my pan. Okay. I could go one step further and remove a little bit more of this that right here. Okay,